Morning, students. Children, in today's video, we will learn how to solve the questions of exercise 12.1. Right? We will discuss few questions. Exercise 12.1, question 1 is evaluate. Before solving the question, you read the question properly. It's evaluate. Evaluate means you have to solve it till end. So, first question, third part I am doing exercise 12.1, evaluate. First of all, negative power is there, we have to make it positive, and the rule is we have to take the reciprocal of the base. Base is 1 by 2 and reciprocal will become 2. So 2 raised to power 5. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So your answer is 32. Right? Now question 2 is simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. In this question we have to express the result in the form of power, but the power should be positive. Exponent क्या होना चाहिए? Positive होना चाहिए. Right? So first of all, bases are same, in between division is there, so powers will be subtracted. 5 minus 8, so this is minus 4 raised to power minus 3. Now in order to make it positive, now this is in the power notation, ये power form में आ गया, but the exponent is negative. So to make it positive, we'll take the reciprocal of the numerator. So minus 1 by 4 raised to power 3. Alright. Now second question, fifth part, same. We have to express it in a power notation with positive exponent. Now we can see that the bases are not same, but powers are same. So we'll take powers outside the bracket. In between it is 2 into minus 7. That is minus 14 raised to power minus 3. So in order to make it positive, we'll take the reciprocal. 1 upon minus 14 raised to power 3. Now in this question, मैंने नेगेटिव साइन को ऊपर ही रहने दिया, यहाँ मैंने नीचे ले लिया, जस्ट टू टेल यू दैट बोथ वेज इट्स करेक्ट. आप माइनस न्यूमरेटर में भी छोड़ सकते हो और डिनोमिनेटर में भी लेके आ सकते हो. राइट. नाउ योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 3. क्वेश्चन 3, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस. Since all the powers are negative, so we make it positive by taking the reciprocal. 1 by 2 raised to power minus 2 will be 2 raised to power 2 plus 3 raised to power 2 plus 4 raised to power 2. So this comes out to be 4 plus 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 plus 4 is 29. Alright. Now next is your question number 4. Question is evaluate. Again we have to evaluate it. So we will solve it till end. So first of all we'll see that this is negative power. So this negative power will go to the denominator and become positive, right? If it is in the numerator, we'll bring it to the denominator and power will automatically become positive. Here it is in denominator, it will go to the numerator and power will become positive. Into 5 raised to power 3. I hope यहाँ तक clear है सबको. Now this is 2 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 3. 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. Now here bases are same, in between division is there, तो power subtract हो जाएंगी. So this is 2 raised to power 1 into 5 raised to power 3. 5 raised to power 3 is 125 and 125 into 2 is 250. So your answer here is 250. Now next question 5, find the value of m. If you can see on the left hand side, the bases are same. Bases are same on the left hand side, so powers क्या हो जाएंगी? Subtract. This will become 5 raised to power m minus of minus 3. This is equal to 5 raised to power 5. Which implies 5 raised to power m plus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 5, because minus minus is plus. Now bases are same, in between equality. That means powers equal हो जाएंगी. m plus 3 is equal to 5. Which implies m is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. So here your value of m is 2.